Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we are going to see edgings and borders as well, and we are going to see a beautiful stitch and a very easy stitch, the V-stitch. So in order to make this stitch, the V-stitch edging, we work on a multiple of 2 plus 3, and for this video I'm going to make the foundation chain of 20 chains. Plus 1 because I'm going to make 2 rows of single crochet. And I'm going to make 1 chain more because I'm going to make the second row of single crochets. In order to make a single crochet, we insert the hook into the stitch, we draw up a loop, and we yarn over and we pass the yarn through both loops. For those who don't know how to single crochet, again insert the hook into the stitch, draw a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops on the hook. And now we are going to make the V-stitch, 3 chains, turn the work, and these 3 chains count as a double crochet because we are going to start with a double crochet, the 3 chains, and finish the work with a double crochet. So for the first stitch we have to skip 1 stitch. So for the first, in order to make the first V stitch, we skip only 1 stitch here. So we're going to make the V stitch, which is 1 double crochet, a chain, 1 chain and another double crochet into the same space. So in order to make the double crochet, yarn over, here we skip 1 stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, chain 1 as I've said, and another double crochet here into the same space. So insert the hook into the same space, draw a loop, yarn over, pass the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook, the 2 loops, and yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, and this is the V-stitch. So from now on we're going to skip 2 stitches, so skip 2 stitches into the next one, the third in this case, make a double crochet, a chain, and another double crochet into the same space. In order to make the first V-stitch, we skip only 1 stitch. Then for the rest, throughout the edging, we're going to skip 2. So skip 2 stitches into the next one, the third, insert the hook to draw up a loop and make a double crochet, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, 1 chain, and again yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, draw up a loop and yarn over, pass the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops. Again, skip 2 into the next one, third, make a V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same space. For those who are interested in learning how to work only in V-stitch, I've made a video, so you can find it. You can find it here during or at the end of this video with the suggesting videos or the final screens, or on my blog, and the links you can find the links in the description section of my video. So again, the V-stitch edging, skip 1, 2 into the next one, the third, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops, and chain 1, and again yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops and 2 loops. Now again, skip 2 into the next one, a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, a chain and a double crochet into the same space, and to finish we make a double crochet, and that's it. This is the V-stitch border. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.